This is a beautiful Game Boy Color, or I mean, it could be more beautiful, which is what I'm going to do today. I'm going to be restoring it. Some buttons don't really respond that well. I'm missing the back sticker. So basically, I'm just going to open it up, clean it on the inside, and slap on a new sticker. And that's going to be the restoration. So, first of all, I'm going to remove the 6 screws that are on the back. Is that a black screw? What the hell? That's a first. Game Boy Color does not come with black screws. There goes the light. Let me just plug that in. Alright. I mean, I have opened like over 40 Game Boy Color, no, over 60 or 70 Game Boy Colors. Never seen black screws. So that's really interesting. Don't know if these are replacements, but why would someone replace them? The shell is original. I can just tell. Oh yeah, someone has been in here. New speaker. Yeah, it has had damage done to it previously. Okay. So someone has been in here already. And this one came from Japan. So I don't know. That's really interesting. So I guess it's been restored. But what the hell happened here? Okay. Let's look at the other side. Oh my god. Huh. Wow. That is interesting. So I won't be cleaning it too much, I guess, because I have no clue what's been done here. Oh, that lifted itself up. Oh my god. Okay. Now, I can't really remember what buttons had issues, but that's a first. Never seen this before. Well, okay. I mean, as long as it works. If like A or B don't work, yeah, I'm not gonna be able to fix that. So, let me just put this together and test, I guess. That's really going to be the restoration. Boom. Put it on the back. Put in the screws. Yeah, so these screws are not original. No clue why he used black screws. Like, is it so he can tell that he has worked on it? I don't know. Maybe it's because it's a defective unit. Because I got a lot of Nintendo consoles yesterday, and I think there was something wrong with this one. We'll soon find out. Okay, now let me just, what the hell? Let me just clean this back off. There we go. Some isopropyl alcohol on a microfiber cloth. And clean the adhesive off. Give everything a clean. Boom. New sticker. Boom. Now let me just get some batteries and a game. Alright, let's see here. Oh my. And works, sound is there. Oh, buttons work. Whoops. Let's see here. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it works. So yeah, that's going to be the video. That was really weird. But yeah, thank you for watching. Like, dislike, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.